Harishe, filma.
Açıda está 20 minutes. 20 minutes? 20 minutes.
She's arriving in 20 minutes.
Translate or something.
Todos entendem inglês aqui?
Krishna Joni is coming? No.
She's coming tonight. She's coming tonight.
Meninas, vocês entendem inglês? Melhor traduzir.
We can do it simultaneously with them.
Okay, translate to them. How
Quem
many
que não
numbers?
entende inglês? Quem que não entende inglês? Levanta a mão. Só vocês? Tá.
Okay, translate them.
Tá. Maybe we can translate here?
No.
Because but I think my mic, otherwise I cannot listen to you.
Eh?
I just okay.
You have mic.
Fica mais alto.
No, more higher volume because in the back also my voice then I cannot hear. It's okay. I just put. Sabe aumentar aqui?
चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताक्षै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये शरणां प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधानां करुणावरदं ततो ममस्ते प्रिया चरण किंकरीं कुरु संविदा दशनेन विभूतिर्नो प्रार्थये ब्रजमेन्द्र नंदनास्तु मोहनं तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरी प्रियं प्राणनाथ विश्वानंदिनी श्रीमुखाब्जरसलूलसठपदम् राधिकापदतले कृतस्थितिं तन् भजा करान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादरुणबिम्बफलादरष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखादरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने। न विजाचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यं न विभं न जाचं ब्रह्मं सर्वजनकामं वरवधूं मे। सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिन गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances and the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Lakha Siddhar Goswami Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So, tomorrow we will be celebrate the appearance day of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Keshav Goswami Maharaj. So today we also something verify about his life history and offering flowers Pushpanjali unto the lotus feet. Vaishnavir Gunagan Korile Jivet Tran. If you glorify to Vaishnava, then you protect him from Maya. Krishna Lila, you read Krishna Lila or you heard Krishna Lila, maybe your confusion will come because Krishna is Bhagavan. He is the supreme personality of Godhead, Son Bhagavan. Iti jansa kalapamsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Son. And who is Bhagavan? He is called the beyond of all rules and regulations of the scripture. Some Leelas, Lord, some Leela is very difficult to understand. Right? Mundane people cannot understand. Such as give an example. Parikshit Maharaj, he asked to Sukadev Goswami Pal. Perform ras dance with the gopis. This is but gopis, they were the wife of others Gopal. Gopis, they were not the married wife of Krishna. But Krishna performed ras dance with the gopis, dancing, singing. So what kinds of Varnashram Dharma Krishna re-established in this material world? Krishna, he comes in this material world. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavatir bhar paritranam sadhunam vinasaya duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. Mainly Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna told himself. Then Prithvi Devi, the mother of earth, Prithvi Devi, cannot tolerate their sin. Then Prithvi Devi, she prayed to all the demigods in heavenly planet to help her. But demigods, they can't help. They pray to Brahma. Brahma, he prayed to Lord Vishnu. Then Lord Vishnu pacified to Brahma and all demigods. My master, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna and Balaram, soon appeared in this material world and established Varnashram Dharma. And he will kill all the demons. So in this way, Harivangsha Purana, Padma Purana, many Puranas explain. The Bhagavan, he descended from Golok Vrindavan to reestablish Varnashram Dharma. Para Paradaro Abhimarsanam Judipate Kim Abhipraya. Gopis there, why for others go? Are Krishna Gopis? That is called Paradaro Abhimarsanam. So what kinds of Varnashram Dharma did he re-establish? Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Jad jadat vishyasta tatta devet rajana sajat pavanam krute lokastad anuvartate. Senior persons, what you are doing, junior, they will follow their footsteps. So Krishna is senior, topmost. Krishna, he performed ras dance with the gopis. Later people always say, Krishna performed ras dance with the gopis, also why will not? Okay? So many questions Parikshit Maharaj asked to Sukadeva Goswami. Then Sukadeva Goswami, he also all these thoughts. Actual gopis, they are not the married wife of Gopas. They are gopis. They are the Krishna eternal potency. Krishna Nitya Sarv Shakti Sarv. Just Yoga Maya perform this leela. Krishna. And Krishna is Bhagavan. All his activities beyond of and our material conception. We can understand our brain intellect. Bhagavan. Jatha Vanne, as like fire can eat everything. And fire always pure. If you put anything in the fire, fire burn everything and fire never contaminated. Balvanascha nodikasta dosa. Those very powerful person can do. Bhagavan, just taking his name, everybody purified. Ajamil just took his son's name Narayan, then all his sinful activities destroyed. So how possible Krishna's body will contaminate it with the sinful activity? So now coming in this way, Bhagavad Leela, the pastimes of Krishna, that is called beyond of material conception. Atimartha Leela. Krishna's most of the Leelas, that is called opulence, Bhagavan, Bhagavad. Only 6 days, Krishna, he killed Putana. This is also right. And opulence. Krishna killed Aghasur, Bakasur, Tinavarta, Sakadasur. He killed. So now coming in this way, sometimes people, they also confused about Krishna's Leela. Only those who are pure devotee and enter in perfect philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta, they can understand. And those who have no brain, intelligence, no enter in Tattva Siddhanta, understand? Philosophy of the scriptures, Shastra Siddhanta. There is called, yesterday I told, what did he say? Sunanda Gandharva. Understand? Yesterday I told this story. If you don't know any Tattva Siddhanta, then just you become, what did he say? Sunanda Gandharva. Just shape the head. He shaped head, so he shaped head. Yeah, why did you shape the head? Understand? And no one inquired. Yesterday was Maghi Purnima. Mahaprabhu's Sannyas Leela. For the remembrance, Mahaprabhu's Sannyas Leela. Gaudiya Vaishnava, Sadhu Sannyasi, they saved the head. The honor of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, he saved the Sannyasi, Brahmachari, and every Purnima, full moon, they have to save the Purnima. But yesterday was special Purnima, full moon. What is that? What did I say? Maghi Purnima. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took renounce of that. Very important also. Then we entered, yesterday I told what is the meaning of sannyas. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas? You have to learn Tattva Siddhanta. Krishna did not take sannyas. But same Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He took sannyas. And he is saying to us, Varnashram Dharma perfect. You have to follow the Dharma. Varnashram Acharata Vata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nanat Tattasa Karanam. Varnashram Acharata Vata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nanat Tattasa Karanam. If you want to perform bhajan and sadhana, you have to follow the rules and regulations of Varna Ashram Dharma. Sesya Dikare Nisht Saguna Parikirtita. According to their qualification, he will be belongs that Varna and Ashrama. Varnashram Dharma explains Ashram Dharma. Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Generally, smarta Brahmanas, they are thinking Brahman son will become Brahmana. But Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada explained no. If Brahman son has no Brahman qualification, how possible he will become Brahmana? Doctor's son will not become doctor. If doctor's son has no certificate, doctor certificate. Then maybe your question will come. Jarmana jayate sutra sanskar dijuchyate vedat paഠे bhavet vipra brahma jana. Vedat Jarmana jayate sudra. Actually, everybody you are Sudra. All we are Sudra. Jarmana jayate Sudra. Sudra means you are. Swajanati di Sudra. Those who are lamented. Understand? This is not mine, this is yours. This is mine, this is yours. This is and fighting and always lamenting. So this is called Sudra. When baby takes part from the womb of mother, baby start to cry. Why? Baby remember his past parents. Oh, this is not my parents. Eh? Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Eh? Eh? Sometimes you will notice, baby, small baby, 3-4 years, 3-4 months baby sleeping and sometimes smiling. And sometimes crying. Why? Because baby can remember his previous life. Still coming back, Shachanati Sudra, Janmana Jayati Sudra. All we are, what we are? Sudra. Janmana Jayati Sudra. Sanskara Dujuchyate. When you will get the sanskar, impressions from Guru and Vaishnava, sanskara that is called your second birth. Dija means second birth. So first birth, that is called Sopra Janma. Seventh birth. Or second birth, that is Daksha Janma. Receive Diksha mantra or Savitri Janma. Savitri Janma means taking the Brahma Gayatri mantra. Dhamana Jayate Sanskara Dijate Vedat Pade Bhavet Vipra. When you will be qualified to read the Veda mantra, that is called Vipra. Understand? Vedat Pade Bhavet Vipra. Or Brahma Janati Jasiti Brahmana. One who knows Nama Brahma, Nam Brahma Tattva. He is called Brahma. Then Smartha Brahmana, they also complain. So how possible? One person took birth in the sutra and just giving the secret thread, how possible he will become Brahmana? When you received Gayatri mantra from Guru, and Guru gives sacred thread. Sacred thread is the symptom of Brahmana. So how will you become Brahmana? Then our Shastra explained, Jatha Kansa. Kansa is as like the copper. Copper. You know copper? Metal, copper. Copper mixed with some kinds of chemical. That copper transfer in gold. Science also explains this. If you mix the copper with some chemical, that copper transfer in gold. In the same way, though you are Sudra, Lucas, but when you receive Gayatri mantra from Guru, then you will become Brahman. Read this verse. Yatha Kamsa Sammisreno. Understand? So you become Brahman. But sometimes everybody also give up their secret thread. Brahmana. But he again returned back Brahman to Sudra. How foolish. For this guy yesterday I told. You don't want to eat the sweet rice. Want to what? Liquid stool. Keep sweet rice in the same way. Sometimes we are upset. Guru Vaishnava mercifully give you higher stage. But they don't understand. Particularly Bhakti Vinod Thakur also one article he wrote. Just put the tilak, kanthi mala and keep one sacred thread, he will not become Vaishnava. But you have given an example, if you put the tilak on the forehead of tilak kantimala, in the forehead of donkey, the donkey will become Vaishnava. Because donkey is foolish. But you are a human being, you are not donkey. You are donkey? No. You are intelligent, human being. You have discrimination power. Sacred thread. Don't stop the chanting the Gayatri mantra. Gayate, Trayate, iti Gayatri. If you chant, then you protect. You Guru Vaishnava, that is merciful. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada and Bhakti Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev, their whole life, they also Sahajiya others. Sam Babaji also, they are not keeping also sacred thread. Not thinking they are Paramhamsa. They are thinking if we keep the sacred thread, that means we are belongs to Varnashram. So some Babaji Sampradaya, they are not also keeping sacred thread. They are not following Chaturmasya. They are not following any rules and regulations. They are thinking Paramhamsa. And they are thinking, oh, we are qualified to meditate Ashtakali Lila. But Shastra says no. Shruti Smriti Narodadi Pancharati Viding Vina Vaikantiki Hare Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. Those who are thinking, I am one pointed with Krishna. No need to follow any rules and regulations, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Shastra. Their bhakti is called the disturbance bhakti, Utpadaki Kevalam. If you want to practice bhakti, you have to follow the rules and regulations. At least 4 principles you have to follow. Understand? You have to follow the 4 principles. This is very important. And if you not follow the 4 principles, then you will fall down. But Guru Vaishnava again and again make you stand. Stand up. I like baby, sometimes standing and sometimes also fall down. But parents, what they do? Holding baby's hand and stand up. In the same way, Guru Vaishnava, they are very merciful, Kripalu. Some brahmachari, they have no sacred thread. Take sacred thread. Again take sacred thread. Again chant Gayatri Mantra. So, follow the rules. This is important. Why I am saying? Because Bhagavan, Krishna, he is beyond all rules and regulations. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Lila, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he followed all the rules and regulations of Varna Ashram Dharma. Ramachandra, following the Varnashram. Actually, Bhagavan Ramachandra, he established perfect Varnashram Dharma. First you follow the activity then you understand about Krishna. Bhagavan Ramchandra, he is very strict. He is a varnashram. So I have to follow Ramachandra. If you not follow Ramchandra Leela, you cannot understand Krishna Leela. Krishna Leela is very high. That is the Raga Bhakti. Very high stage. Ramachandra, he established Varna Ashram. How to give love and affection. Mother, father, wife, children. Adarsh means idealist. Ramachandra is called perfect idealist person. Raghukula Riti Sada Chaliyai Prana Jai Boru Vachana Na Jai. Ramachandra established this philosophy. Understand? No understand. What did I say? Raghukula Riti Sada Chaliyai Prana Jai Boru Vachana Na Jai. The tradition of Raghu dynasty is going on. If they vow anything, they have to perform their vow. Prana jai Guru Vachana na jai. Maybe you will die, but they will not break their vow, promise. This is so Raghukula Riti Sada Chaliyai Prana Jai Guru Vachana na. Ramchandra. This is the dynasty of Raghu dynasty. Dasarath Maharaj. Ramachandra established this. Dasarath Maharaj, he gave to benediction to Kaikeyi. But Kaikeyi, she told, when my time will come, I will receive from you. Raj Abhishek. Ramchandra, he is going to sit on the Singhasana of Ayodhya. That is called Raja Abhishek. Understand? Almost Ramchandra, he is going to sit on the Singhasana of Ayodhya. Just couple minutes he will be sitting. Or in the meantime, the maid servant of Kaikeyi, maid servant Manthara, she told, oh, I remind you now, would be king of Ayodhya, not Ramachandra. Ramchandra, he would go first for 14 years. You have to ask Dasarath Maharaj to benediction now. Then Kaikeyi, she asked the Dasarath Maharaj, throne of Ayodhya, Raj. Or another benediction, Ramchandra, he would go the forest, exile, forest, Banavas. How many years? 14 years. 14 years, not 12 years, not 10 years, 5 years, 1 year. Maybe your question will come. Why Kaikeyi? She asked Dasarath Maharaj, the Ramchandra, he would go in forest, exile, for 14 years. He completely was silent. But how possible? He will be say, the Ram would go exile forest. But Ramchandra, he realized, oh, my father took vow in front of my stepmother, Kaikeyi. Understand? So, Ramchandra, he did not complain. Ramchandra did not complain. Ramchandra very happy. And Ramchandra left Ajodhya and exiled in France. So I am saying these things. This is the tradition of Raghu dynasty. You have to take vow. So Ramchandra, he established perfect varnashram dharma. So bhakti will be this. How to follow the rules and regulations. Shruti Smriti Naradadi Pancharatrin Vidhin Vina Vaikanti Harir Bhakti Utpadiki Kevalam. Those who are not following the rules and regulations of Shruti Smriti Narada Pancharat, all their bhakti, that is called disturbance. So now coming, I am saying because Bhagavan is beyond of these rules and regulations. Bhagavan he can do. But those who are devotees, they follow all the rules. Yeah? At least how many rules you follow? Four principles. If you want to practice devotional service to Lord, Bhagavad Bhakti, you must follow the four principles. What are the four principles? No intoxication. No drink any kinds of alcohol. No ganja bhang. Don't take ganja bhang or what you call it. Any kinds of intoxication. Don't eat meat, fish, eggs. Here most of the Brazil people are vegetarian. Then they say, are you eating fish? Yes. Are you eating eggs? Yes. Same Bengali conception. Bengali people are thinking the fish is the fruit of water. Gangapal. And here Brazil people also same. Many also coming to a Harinam and say, hey, yes, I want to take Harinam. Okay. Are you vegetarian? Yes, I am completely vegetarian. I am not eat meat. I am not drinking alcohol. Good. Also some not eat fish, but some also. And saying, what they eating? Eggs. And no. Egg also not allowed to us. Not allowed to eat fish, eggs, onion, garlic. That is tamasic. Onion should not eat. And putting the eye, but you will never get. You will lose everything. Don't buy the lottery. Lottery ticket. Only wasted money. Or fourth, illegal sex. This is very important. Stupid nonsense thing, rascal. Our Shastra completely prohibited. So, if you practice bhakti, you have to follow the perfect rules and regulations of the scriptures. Varnashram dharma. One life Just follow the four principles and chant holy names. One Western devotee asked my Gurudev, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, I remember. I said, what is your conception about the Western devotees? They are doing bhajan, sadhan, chanting holy names. My Gurudev very humble, he told, good. Those who are doing bhajan, sadhan, but if they follow the four principles and chant holy names, this is good. My Gurudev very simple way. Western country very difficult to follow the four principles. Understand? Not so easy. But you have to follow. One life you are following. Yesterday I told you almost achieved to Krishna. Just 2 fingers far from Krishna. How many far from Krishna? Voila. Understand? Very clear. Yesterday I told you were almost on the top of the mountain. Guru Vaishnava, they are very kind to you. What is that? Yesterday I told. What did I say? Yastena vrindavananatha saksat sevaiva labha janusanta eva bande guru sri charanaravind. Vishwanath Chakravarti Gurvastak last verse. Just wait, give up this body, this life. If you have Guru Nishtha, one point with Guru. Then, after give up this body, you direct attend to Golok Vrindavan and serve Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Srimad Guru Ashtakam Padhadiya Prajatma Brahma Murti Padhadiya Prajatma Jastena Vrindavananatha Saksa Sevi Valabha Janusantaya. You give the attention this word, Sanskrit word. What is that? Janusa Anta Eva. You must give up this body. Anta means end. Then you direct attend to Golok Vrindavan and become the medicine of Srimati Radha. Pranaya karuna gana ganayatam prapta sakalana gunarnavavasya vande guru sri charanarvindam. Every day. And last verse, Jastena Vrindavananatha Saksa Sevaiva Labha Janusantaya Brahma Murte Padhati Vajatna. Every day, wake up, Brahma Murta. Here you can Brahma Murta. Brahma Murta, you have to recite Gurvashtaka. At Brahma Murta, you are sleeping, not coming Mangalarati. No. Every day, wake up, what time? Brahma Murta. And when you wake up, Brahma Murta, you have to recite Gurvashtaka. Sansara-dava nandra-rupam pranaya-karuna ghana-ghana-yattam. So Vishwanath Chakravarti path, very nicely, Phalashruti sloka. Phalashruti, understand? Phalashruti means here. Listen the result about the reciting this stuti, Gurvashtaka. Heard that? Phalashruti sloka, last verse, 9th verse. Brahma Murti Padhaya Prajatnath. Padhati ja Prajatnath. Prajatnath, very carefully. Every day, early in the morning, you have to recite Gurvashtaka. You reciting or not? You have to recite Gurvashtaka. Glorification of Gurudev. Every day. So I told you. Guru Vaishnava, they are very merciful, they are very so kind to us. To bring you very highest position. Just wait to give up this body. Eh? But take Mahaprasad. Don't eat here and there. Eh? Don't eat in the mundane people in the store. Eh? Understand? You are hungry. Buying bread in the store, the eggs are there. Eh? Mundane people eat. Not. Eh? Understand? Mahaprasad. Offering Krishna. Take Mahaprasad. Mahaprabhu, very simple. No need any yoga, tapasya, nothing. Eh? Simple. Chant holy names and take Mahaprasad. Eh? Every day wake up and chant holy names. Chant Gayatri Mantra. Eh? So now coming in this way, just I speaking over the platform. Eh? The Guru and Vaishnavas, their life history, if you read, if you listen, they knew protected like that. They knew so much inspiration will come in your heart. So much enthusiasm will come. Eh? Enthusiasm coming or not? Yes, I will do bhajan. And one life just to do bhajan. Eh? This is your last birth. Eh? And he will do, then Krishna will help you. Eh? Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also says, Jatatang Purvikam. Eh? If you do, Krishna will help you. Eh? If you not attain your highest perfection, the next birth, Krishna will give you take birth in the high class. Eh? The house of the devotee, Bhakta Griha Jamana. Understand? Eh? Eh? So Bhakta Charit Katha, Bhakti Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Purvangla, East Bengal. I think Bagnapara. And village. I see the most of the Bengali devotees, they born in East Bengal, Navadvip Dham or Bengal. Because Mahaprabhu's dynasty coming from here. Understand? Jagannath Mishra, all they are coming actually from East. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, he went to preach in East Bengal. And now that is called a Muslim country. I think 95% Muslim. Before all. Why? By force. This is the made them Muslim. Maya is very powerful. If you not do bhajan in sadhana, then Maya entirely beat you. Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, East Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Narottam Das Thakur. But this is not our subject. Janmahu jata tata karma. You can take birth in any place, that is not our subject. Subject, how much? Manifested from the mud. We are not looking the mud. Listen? And then bumblebee collect the honey from the lotus. Bumblebee not looking, oh, this lotus birthplace is mud, so I should not go there. You can take birth any and caste race any. This is not our subject. Subject is that how much are you doing? Perform bhajan and this is important. How much your Guru Nishtha? Always emphasis this. Bhakti's backbone is what? Guru Nishtha, that is called the backbone of your spiritual life. Backbone, understand? In the same way, Guru Bhakti. If you have no Guru Nishtha, you do bhajan and sadhana, many things, that is useless. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, Trivakram Goswami. They are Guru Nishtha, unique and unparalleled. And if you read their life history, you understand. Gurudev told, Narayan Goswami Maharaj told, whatever my Gurudev Keshav Goswami Maharaj he would go, we also always follow his footsteps. Keshav Goswami Maharaj life history, Gurudev himself go. Guru Seva, Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti. This is called the so Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. He was born in East Bengal, Barnapara. His father's name was Sarat Chandra Guha Thakur. What is your mother's name? Just forget. You know your mother's name? You don't know your mother's name? You don't know your mother's name?
Emma.
This is mother's name. Just take. Father's name Sarat Chandra Guha Thakur. When I came in Navadvip Dham, article, I have to keep copy, write, the Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj life history. Every day, and I also wrote. Copy. You copy here, then I copy, understand? I don't know, he collected his good. He wrote one copy and he told me, you have to write another copy. Understand? So he gave me the service. So, and about 700 pages. Every day I write. One mahine devo. Very nice lila. I don't know, he collected. Then my Gurudev also he collected some lila. He collected. And every disciples they collected. There are Gurudev's many different pastimes. Understand? Whatever they listen, they are notebook. You read Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Keshav Goswami life history. Devananda Gaudiya, they also manifested the book of Keshav Goswami life history. Not same. Because different days, different. Understand? They collect. You understand or not? Yeah? Srila Gurudev Anand Goswami Maharaj, he elaborately, very nicely explained. More Tattva Siddhanta. He gave. Because I remember, because Parjato Maharaj, he gave me that copy. I have to transcribe the copy. One copy to another.
You wanted to know by heart.
That his notebook, then he told to write another notebook. Just I copy. Writing to. Eh?
No photocopy.
Yeah. Actually, that time also not photocopy. Now is photocopy.
Share. Nothing share.
Yeah. That time no photocopy. That time you have to write one day.
They are like the first one, and you make a copy.
Understand? Now it's very easy. Just take this book and 5 minutes finish.
In the phone.
What did he say?
Ela estava escrevendo a biografia, coletando histórias, aí o Maharaj fazia naquele tempo não tinha máquina para copiar, aí ele pessoalmente ele reescrevia outra página, tinha que escrever de novo outra.
Yes, and I'm asking what did you do with this after?
What will do he after? This is not my son. He told me, this copy you have to write and when I write, I remembering, reading. By reading many his collection of his biography was Gurudev. Not many, the collection of his biography of his Guru. Because different disciples, they collect different Leela. When I reading, Gurudev wrote this book, Keshav Goswami biography. Keshav different, not same. Not change, they collect different.
More, increase.
Different person.
Different past tense. Understand? For now 1 o'clock, Arati, 1:30. Hello, Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Then evening give class. Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Jaya Keshav Goswami, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Keshav Goswami, Jaya Guru Deva. Hello, Jaya Guru Deva, 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 Jaya Guru Deva. So after Prasad will go.
Yes.
2:30.
Yes. I think 1 hour.
All right.